Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am coming back with two non-phone data entry typing type job leads. I just wanted to share these really quickly. This first job lead is for the United States and India. The second job lead is data entry just for the United States. So if you are not in the US after this first one, you can jump off this video. As always, the links to everything are in the description box below. But first up, we have the company MedVoice. They are a healthcare solution provider, and they are hiring a medical transcriptionist. Now, a medical transcriptionist transcribes medical reports using all available technology in an accurate and timely fashion. You'll review reports for completeness against voice files and correct errors in transcription, grammar, punctuation, and spelling. You'll consult reference books and materials, including the internet, to verify information before the report is sent, and you need to keep a 99% quality score. Now, they do require 5 years experience in the medical transcription field, but this is a work from home position, and they are hiring both in the USA and India. So when you're filling out the application, if you are in India, you'll need to switch the button to India. Otherwise, leave it on the United States. Now, unfortunately, this one does not list pay. That would have to be asked at the time of the interview. And the next one is for my United States folks only. This is a part-time position. The company We Connect International is hiring a part-time data entry specialist, but they are looking for someone to update accounting records in their online QuickBooks, General Ledger, accounts receivable, and payable at the request of the accounting manager. So you'll be updating various financial systems and reports regarding the accounts payable and reconciliation. You'll maintain detailed and organized records and make sure that the information in those records is accurate. You'll work with the accounting manager to make sure payments are processed and received in a timely manner. You'll conduct regular audits and make sure that there are no discrepancies, and you'll provide basic financial reports to the accounting manager. Now, this does require a high school diploma or GED, and they are looking for someone who has some experience in accounting, finance, or some kind of related field, or somebody who has experience in updating financial data records in spreadsheets. So Microsoft Office and spreadsheets is going to be a plus, but you do need excellent written and verbal communication skills. Now, I have also linked We Connect International's main career page in the YouTube description box below as well, because on top of the data entry specialist, they do have quite a few virtual positions open, including accountants, a members relation manager, and different things. So if you're interested in other positions, you might want to check this out. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.